Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E550 W211. This is my first video for the project build of this car. What I'm going to be doing is removing this aftermarket grille. It looks very cheap, it's very flimsy, and it's already broken. So I'm going to be replacing it with the stock AMG E63 grill. So we're going to start off by trying to open the hood. The opening on this grill is very hard to grab the hood latch, but I've played around with it and I've finally gotten the latch. And now we're going to start off by removing the few bolts that are holding the grill in place. And the tool that you're going to be needing is an 8mm socket. And now it's time to install the stock Mercedes grill back onto the E550. So I'm going to align it up, and one thing you want to make sure is to get the hood latch through the grill, because if you don't, then it's going to get stuck behind and then it's nearly impossible to open the hood. But now that I have it lined up, I have the hood latch sticking out towards the grill area. I'm going to reinstall the bolts, tighten them up, and I'll share with you guys my final results. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode on my E550 project build. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share. And please leave any questions or comments down below on what you guys want me to do next on this E550. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.